Hi, welcome to the Iron Tech. In this video, I will tell you how to make the editor or how to give the access on your Facebook page. So, for example, this is my Facebook page. I am going to open this page. Right at here, you can see different types: professional dashboard, inside tab, center, create ad, settings. So, you will go to the settings. So after settings, you will see different types of further settings are here. So you should go here. For example, these are the different types of the names: Islamic videos, privacy, new page experience, and also support inbox videos and branded account. So you can see here is the option new page experience. So you will click here. When you will click here, you will see page access, page management history, page quality, similarly page recommendations, advanced messages. So for this purpose, you will go here which type of person you want to give the access here. So click here, you can search by name or email. So here you can add such type of person which must be in your profile ID, or you should follow already that person, or that should be your friend. So for example, this is the guy Khalil Babar, and I want to make him admin, or I want to make him editor, but he is not in my profile, so I have to follow that guy. When I will follow that guy, I have to copy this person, or I should know about the name Khalil Babar. So let's go here. I am going to copy this person. I am going to here writing that name, that is Khalil Babar. So I will find here. So let's see if I find, then it's also okay. For example, if Khalil Babar is not here, then they're the best solution. Why? What should we do? For this purpose, you should go there and you can copy that ID. When you will copy that ID, you should come here and place here. Yes, now you can see Khalil Babar. So which type of access you would like to give? So if you want to make them editor, you should select this one, then give the access. When you will give the access, you will ask the security reason of the password. So if you know the password of your page, then you can easily give the access. So you can see I done the password. Now I am confirming the access. So just with now you can see here Khalil Babar, you can become the editor, adds and the insight. So its invitation expires in 31 days. So he have to accept my invitation within 31 days. So in this way, you can easily make the editor or admin to anybody. Who is the admin? Like this one, admin. Admin has access for the page deletions, permissions, content, messages, community activities, ads, and insight. But the editor cannot delete your page. He has not the permission to add any other body. He cannot give the access to any other body. He cannot messages. So community activities he can't do. He has to do just ads and the insights. For example, if he wants to give the boost for your followers, then you should make this guy. I am not asking to make special this guy. You can make your own provider. You can make your friend. For example, if you are busy, you want to make the editor or admin. So this video is very helpful for those persons who want to make the editor or admin to anybody. So I hope this video is really helpful for those who are looking to make the editor with any request by getting the link of this ID, paste it one, and you can give the access. So if you like this video, subscribe this channel. See you very soon. Goodbye.